Good afternoon. We have gathered here for our last part of the conference, valedictory function. Over the last 3 days, we had deep insight into several issues of psychiatry. It was a wonderful experience listening to the experts. Now it's time to welcome the dignitaries to the dais. Now I invite Dr. Ramana Neerath, President, IPS South Zone Branch, to the dais. I welcome Dr. K. Ramakrishnan, immediate past President and Organizing Chairman, to the dais. I welcome Dr. G. Suresh Kumar, General Secretary, to the dais. I welcome Dr. Uday Kumar, President-elect, to the dais. I think Sir will join us shortly. I welcome Dr. Gangaram, Treasurer, IPS South Zone, to the dais. I welcome Dr. Shahul Amin, Honorary Editor, to the dais. I welcome Dr. N. Arun Kumar, Organizing Secretary, to the dais. Now I request Dr. Ramana Neerath to conduct the proceedings. I welcome you, sir.
Chart. Just give me the program chart. Get the chart. Good afternoon, everybody. We are coming to the concluding session of this IPSACon 2021, and I am happy that we had 3 days, conference coming to an end with a lot of scientific activities. I hope everybody had enjoyed it, and we hope you will carry with a lot of scientific inputs and the friendship and companionship, everything. I'm sure all of you have enjoyed it. We should thank Dr. Ramakrishnan for arranging such a wonderful program and his hospitality. And in brief, this is my account about the IPSACon. Then I will move to the award function. We have to have certain awards. Dr. Suresh, will you read out the names? Awards?
Awards I will read.
Yeah.
IPS South Zone, we have conducted various programs for the undergraduates and postgraduates and consultants. This year, we conducted UG quiz program. The UG winners are Akshaya Rao and his teammate from Mysore Medical College. The first prize, UG winners.
Is he there?
If anyone is there in the UGs are there, please kindly come out to the dais and receive the certificate. Anyone representing the Mysore Medical College here, if you want to convey hand over the winner certificate, otherwise we will hand over later. So, runners up from UG quiz, SS Institute Medical College, Davanagere, Karnataka, Tejas M and Afshiak Pakia. These are the runners-up for the UG quiz. Anyone from the undergraduate students from the medical college or the UG runners-up?
First of all, congratulations to the winners. And since they are not present here, I think we will make some arrangements to deliver those prizes to them. Next one.
Next is the postgraduate quiz results, which are organized in the PGCME at Hubli, Dharwad. Dr. Suprita and Dr. Vaibhavi PS SS Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, Davangere. The first prize, I think the PGs are not attended, they are in the hybrid mode because online. I'll congratulate them, I will hand out the certificates and the second prize is Anup John Augustine and Dr. Ben T. Varghese, Government Medical College, Kannur, won the second prize. I think this was conducted in the Hubli Dharwad during PG training program. We'll hand out the cash prize money for that. We'll hand out to the guest to their accounts or check to the respective persons. The third prize is Rainy Joseph and Deepika Biala, Jipmar, Pondicherry. Third prize. So now coming to the DS Raju Memorial PG Award. This award is usually selected from the best paper from each state. It was, and all the 5 states representing South Zone. And today the winner is the first position, Dr. Varsha Vishwanathan, Tamil Nadu. This is the only one prize we will give to the DS Raju Memorial Award. You can, but any faculty from Varsha Vishwanathan, Tamil Nadu, can receive. Varsha is there, na? Okay, fine. Congratulations,
Varsha. Congratulations.
Second prize is no second prize, but second place was Dr. Dhruti Karnataka, and third position Varsha Sri Perambudri from Telangana, Hyderabad. This is just for mentioning the ranking, but the only DS Raju paper was only one. Cash? DS Raju, give it later. Coming to the SS Jairam Award, the winner is Pavitra Jaishankar from Nimhans. She is it. I don't think. Anyone from Nimhans you want to hand over, kindly hand over the award. Okay. Next we will hand over to that concerned persons in our post. Now the Visakha Aration Award was won by Dr. G. Swaminath from Karnataka. This award is every year, one person will be nominated to South Zone. He will give an oration in the next year in Ipsacon to be held in Trivandrum at Kerala. Next year it will be Satavahana PG Poster Award. The first prize, Dr. Divyasri NS from the Dharwad Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Karnataka. First prize for the Satavahana PG Poster Award. The second prize is Dr. Madiha Asha Hospital, Hyderabad, Apollo, Hyderabad, Telangana.
What's her name? Midhiha. Midhiha, no?
Her good name? Fill up the name. Okay. She is Madila.
Congratulations. Sir.
Thank you. The third prize is Dr. Ramesh S.N. Tanjavur Medical College, Tamil Nadu. On behalf of Ramesh SN, Dr. Babu Balasingh will receive the certificate. And those who are willing, the cash award is there for these prizes. Those who are on their behalf, they want to take, we will hand out the check here itself. Otherwise, we'll give them their account details and number. We will send it to the concerned. It's over. But another thing, recent in the IPS South Zone, the innovative program by IPSACON was conducted this IPSACON by Dr. Ramakrishnan.
No, to speak.
We have conducted short film and blitz competitions.
Blitz you have awarded. Dr. Suresh, award is over.
Awards, this competition and the award is you want to distribute the certificate checks to those who are available here.
Okay.
Awards, short film and blitz competition is IPSACON. Awards, IPS South Zone is
Yeah,
over.
but this blitz.
This I will read now. This is people are there.
Okay. I guess we finish it up early. Meanwhile, our Vice President will address you for a minute.
Varsha Viswanathan.
Or?
Please come on to the desk. She is already here. She want to distribute the check here itself. That's what is missing now. Right now, he is in the
If it is coming late, let Uday want to speak something.
Okay, you speak now.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody who are here. I think I'm feeling very happy that the house is full with the valedictory function. I would say that this is the best conferences which we have ever had. Very fabulous and amazing people have done this. I heartfully congratulate the organizing committee, especially the Ramakrishnan sir and Arun Kumar and the team, maybe including Sivasalam and other Tamil Nadu state chapter people, Babu Balasingh and then Siva Ilongo. I think definitely they need standing ovation because they have done and given the best conferences of IPSACON 2021. Please, sir. Dr. Ramakrishnan and Arun Kumar especially have toiled and given the best conference. Thank you, sir.
Vice President remarks you tell.
Not, yeah.
Those things will be done by me later.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just I want to announce our contact of Gangaram. All the winners, cash prize winners, who are the winners?
Give me the
Best-
check. Give the check.
Check
and
it.
hand it over.
Okay.
Anything else? Any cash
Posters,
prize?
Spandana poster. Satavahana.
Oh, why unnecessary? Don't delay. Yeah.
Okay, we'll finish it
we'll go to the next agenda. I think we need a standing ovation to Dr. Ramakrishnan for organizing such a wonderful this thing. And I would request Dr. Ramakrishnan to talk a few words about it. There are certain reports we have to follow.
Good evening to all of you.
Because that's not the time we have to fix it.
Thank you, office bearers of IPS House Zone, for giving us the opportunity to host in Madurai. Thank you, delegates.
Don't misunderstand.
Thank you, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu had registered 475 delegates. And that is brotherhood. It was organized as a challenge or a risk because we didn't know what is going to happen till how many people are going to attend the conference. We didn't know till Friday morning 9 o'clock when the registration was open. Till then we didn't know. We were at a cross because we had booked lunch for 500 people. How many are going to come? And all, everything was there. And 9 o'clock, the whole area was filled with our delegates, friends, smiling and handshake, embracing. So that was the experience we wanted to have. And thank you for giving this opportunity. Lot of hardships were there, but all will end. That is the one we happened. The hospitality of our staffs, the friendship you gave us, the compliments you gave to our organizers, they were all effective. That's what I can say. And postgraduates did a wonderful job. More than 250 postgraduates are registered, and 88 free papers were presented, 54 e-posters, and you might see the success is in video presentation, 17 video presentation, short film, 15 bliss competition, all were all and yesterday when we saw the moot court, all was full. So that was the participation of our delegates. Thank you one and all. Thank you for giving us the opportunity. Whatever deficiency, some might have had initial hiccup in the initial registration. That was a chaos, and we apologize for that. Sometimes the food token were not this thing, and something might have happened, but we sincerely apologize for whatever error we have done. Request you all to pardon us for whatever mistakes, but we'll improve in the future. And we welcome you again to Tamil Nadu. Give us more opportunity to organize zonal conference, and we'll be happy to do it. And this is not possible without NAK. We call him NAK, Dr. Arun Kumar. Yesterday, Dr. Suresh was telling, it is vintage Arun Kumar show. That's what one word he told Dr. Suresh Kumar. That is true. And our staff, all our social workers, support staff, 30 we are here, 30 members are here for the past 5 days. In different places, we made a boardroom, emergency war room. That is like in America, there is one room there. Like that, we were there and we did. And see, in our, as far as IPS is concerned, we had an IPS stall. 82 inquiries happened. Life Fellow, they have registered 9. LOM, they have registered 24. 3 have converted LOM to LF3. IPS House Zone, 24 have been registered. IPS Tamil Nadu, 23 is registered. And 36 are paid online to IPS. This is the what our solidarity and this thing to our IPS. Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
There one award for the short film category, postgraduate category, practicing secretary category, and a special mention. And there is a announcement for the Blitz competition. Dr. Suresh will announce the names of the winners and okay.
Before that, we have forgotten to thank all the farmers and other people who have supported us in large number, especially Linux, who have taken the entire scientific sessions and very good coordination we had. Everything went on smooth. I special mention to Linux
What she did?
and
She won the prize or not?
IPCA for their extensive cooperation, sir. Thank you, Linux. Thank you, IPCA and other people and our chef. All did that job. Thank you.
Now, very interesting topics till the end. The short films and the Blitz competition was held. Everyone is enthralled. Now, the short films, the winners are the postgraduate category on the Stigma, the Unseen Shadow by Dr. Shamini and Dr. Srini Prakash. A nice presentation. The organizers they are giving. It is short film. Boat headphone, Bluetooth boat headphone. Very useful for the current generation for all hybrid meetings and all. Very nice presentation on. Good, very good, sir. A Genie in a Bottle by Ashley Shibu. The second prize is Genie in a Bottle by Ashley Shibu. Maybe they are presented in online, so they are not physically present. And come. They are coming in the practicing psychiatrist category of short film. Dr. Rajaram Muthukrishnan, the first prize. A Change. The film name is Change. This is from Atma Hospital. Atma. Congratulations, sir. The second prize, the film on bipolar disorder by Dr. P.V. Bandari, A.V. Baliga Memorial Hospital from Karnataka. He is all presented online. He will hand over his presentation to him shortly. Third prize is Barriers to Mental Health by KIMS Bangalore. Who is that person? On the institute name they mentioned, KIMS Bangalore. The Barriers to Mental Health is also presented on online. He will be handed over to the concerned presenter. Now coming to the Blitz category of Blitz competition. PG category, Dr. G. Lakshmana, the first prize.
He will come, sir.
Huh?
He will come.
Who is that?
After that, this is the Shatana PG poster. Already we handed to the Babu Barasi, but the candidate has now come. After finish, you can give it. After finish this, you can give it.
Okay. The second prize is Dr. Shivaraj Sharma. Online, he is presented in online. We will hand over in due course. Coming to the consultant category of Blitz competition, Dr. Dhanashri Akshita. She is also presented online. She won the first prize. The second prize is Dr. Deepak Santana. Is also online. Another Ramesh SN for the Satavahana poster presentation. Third place, he is here. So we want to hand over his to President, sir. Please hand over this to Dr. Satavahana poster presentation, third place. He'll cash out. Thank you. Congratulations. Oh.
Anyway, the CME committee and the scientific committee deserves a big applause because they have done a wonderful job. So many sessions, concurrent, plenary, everything. Well organized, I think, thanks to Dr. V.K. Aravind and team and Dr. Suresh Kumar and team. Excellent job. I think we must give a standing ovation to them, even though they are not present here. I think they deserve an applause. Yeah, it's not there. So,
No.
and then next one is-
Sponsors. Honoring
then
give feedback.
feedback from the floor. We would have the postgraduates. Anybody? One or two postgraduates from the floor, whoever is there, they can give us the feedback. Okay, if there are no one, then probably we will invite the delegates. One or two delegates, please come forward and give us the feedback. Dr. Jayaprakash? Since nobody is coming, okay, he is coming. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's all right. It's all right.
I did not initially come through because I consider myself a part of the organizing team because I'm from Tamil Nadu, IPS, and it has been a great event, very well organized despite a few initial glitches, as Dr. Ramakrishnan pointed out. Dr. Ramakrishnan is going from strength to strength. I wish him all the best, and he's carrying Dr. Arun along. And what they've done with this conference will be a benchmark, which will be very hard for people in future to measure up to. And the participation from all the four other states has been tremendous as well. But the eye-opener, or one thing I really am very glad about in this conference is the amount of PG participation in all the competitions that have been announced. I was a judge for the short film competition, and I was simply amazed at the amount of efforts and thought that postgraduates have put in a very different way with regards to mental health promotion. So in many ways like this, this conference has been a pathbreaker or a trendsetter. I wish the team all the best, and I thank IPS South Zone for having given this opportunity to Tamil Nadu and having graced the occasion with good strength. Thank you.
Tamil Nadu.
Very good afternoon to everyone. As a part of a PG population here gathered in this conference, both virtual and also in physical, I extend my happiness, and also I feel very blessed to be a part of this conference, because it is very, very essential and it is very helpful for us, for also the academic purposes and also in many other ways of cheering our day-to-day practices. And the way the conference was organized, and the way they give the cheerfulness and the way they were flexible was extremely superb, sir. Please continue the support, and we also like to be a part of it in all the conferences. And thank you, sir. Thank you. We'll be very gratitude for this. Thank you, sir.
Very happy to be here and associated with the organizing team of this IPSOCOM, and I must congratulate
Dr. Ramakrishnan for the wonderful way in which he has organized, and also is becoming very popular. Hope to see him as the national president very soon. It's in the making, I think. Wish him all the best, and really thanks a lot to the organizing team. Thank you.
I think we'll, this thing what sponsors.
Sponsors.
See, no conference will be successful without the support. Okay, please.
I've been
didn't see. I
working
think it has been
on
there.
behalf of the Pondicherry Society with the organizing team. And with the initial phase, when they meticulously planned the academic events, we were really shocked. We didn't know whether we'll be finishing it on time. And especially, I need to thank this whole bunch of people here. You know, they started the program every day at 8 o'clock in the morning sharp. And today we are on time because of their meticulous work. And I could also relate them because on the dais, ARK sir, Arun and everyone was talking with us. And last 1 or 2 weeks, I think they all slept very late. And I was also part of the team. So I really know how much these people have also worked along with them. So I need a big round of applause for the whole team of social workers who are into it. And thank you. The program was wonderful, sir. KRK sir, we want to see you as the national president soon. Thank you.
Vote of thanks will be combined with the honoring. Arun Kumar will be vote of thanks at the time.
You will announce all the...
Okay.
They will announce.
So now I invite Dr. Arun Kumar, who was the man behind the scene for this entire success, because he was a very supportive person for Ramakrishnan. Without him, I don't think Ramakrishnan will be able to do it. I request Dr. Arun Kumar to vote of thanks and invite the sponsors and the support staff.
Good afternoon. I'll quickly go into vote of thanks. On Thursday morning, I visited Madurai Meenakshi Amman Temple and Kallalagar Koil. So that's why our conference was very successful. I thank Almighty for the first, and I thank my senior, my chief, Dr. Ramakrishnan, who have been helping me over the last few months, motivating me, and every night we used to sit from 10 to 12 and discuss about our conference. And moreover, what we used to do, like he will be very active in WhatsApp. Most of the activities will be communicated through WhatsApp itself. So to show something and then subsequently it will be the error correction, everything was been done smoothly. I thank our CME chairman, Dr. V.K. Aravind, and most important thanks to Dr. M. Suresh Kumar, sir, IPSOCON CME chairman. We have 5 rounds of online Zoom meetings where we, all 5 states representative, collected, edited, and we confirmed the speakers. And then I thank our IPS South Zone office bearers, our president Dr. Ramana Nirar, secretary Dr. G. Suresh Kumar, Dr. Gangadhar sir, Shahul Amin, Vishal Indla, Dr. Sudarshan. I thank members of IPS national body, Dr. Gautam Shaham, OP Singh, KK Mishra, TSS Rao, who had graced the occasion. I thank recipient of Lifetime Achievement Award, Dr. CRS sir, Dr. Vatwani, Dr. Reddy, Dr. TSS Rao, and Dr. M. Suresh Kumar. I thank all the senior psychiatrists who have been present here. Maybe I would have missed 1 or 2 people. Dr. Ponnadurai sir, Dr. Krishna Ram sir, Dr. Nambi sir, and many other senior sir had been came here to grace us. I thank all our IPS TN chapter office bearers, like Dr. Kumaran sir, Dr. Babu Balasingh, Dr. Shiva Elango, Shiva Selam, Sabita madam especially, Arul Varman, who have been here and supporting us. I thank all the speakers without which, the conference won't be there, and all the chairpersons, and I apologize, sometimes the speakers and speakers did not have an effective audience, though they have been prepared for the last 1 to 2 months of the experience. We assure them that these videos are being edited and it will be uploaded in YouTube, and we'll make sure that again it is being watched. So this is not going to end, so at least it will be coming online. and so that we'll get more likes, more questions also in that YouTube channels. And I thank all the chairpersons, I thank all delegates, all the postgraduates who have come here. I made new friends out here. Okay, so Dr. Bijal sir, so I have not met him. So he's from Hubli. He's a secretary from Karnataka. Pavan Kumar sir from Telangana. Vishal Akula from Andhra Pradesh. And Krishna Kumar from Mangalore. So I can have easy communication with them. So all the 5 states I have one representatives through which I can communicate easily in future. And my sincere thanks to Dr. V. Ramanujan sir, who had arranged Velamal Idaskudat Hall so that we could get the Madurai cuisine for that banquet. And I thank judges Dr. Mohan Raj sir, Paneer Selvam sir, Sabeshan sir, Mahesh Gowda, Jayaprakash Vinod, and I wanted to give some memento of my own paintings to my friends. Even if it is left out, I would few people I can give it again. First, I would give it to our married people so that they can hang it somewhere. Okay, remembrance of our Atma team. I call upon Mrs. Durga to receive a memento and one of my painting. And chef. My friends who helped me, Dr. Vinod and Dr. Shivaselam, Dr. Sunita and Dr. Paneer Selvam sir. Dr. Indumati madam.
How many paintings in there? Thank you. Everything is
I sincerely thank our Atma team, Mr. Salai Kumaran. Few words of him. He has been worked not from morning 9 to 6 or something like that. It will be somewhere from 10 to next day morning 3 a.m. Okay, so over the last 1.5 months. And similarly, Mr. Aravindan and his partner, Ms. Priya, both are social workers who could tirelessly work here itself, leaving aside her only daughter into a friend's house. And then our Mr. Vijay, Mr. Tyagarajan, Mr. Pragadishwaran, and many more. And our counselor team, Manjumita, Nancy, Krishnaveni, Subbalakshmi, Vasavi, Tamilmani, Aruna, and most I wanted to mention Kokila. She is a discharge summary typist. Okay, and but today in IPS she had made wonders. 82 inquiries. I have list of 82 people with signatures and this one, and 35 people paid online. So our IPS have gained 35 into a minimum of 11,000. and 24 into new people have been added to South Zone as well as Tamil Nadu, which I would be giving to the treasurer, respective treasurer. And our Shantionam staff Deenadayalan, Arasappan, Magesh, Bhaskar, and our doctors who are working here as well as there in the hospital, Dr. Rajaram, Ajay, Dr. Geeta, Dr. Sridhar, and Dr. Satya. And our driver, Suresh, Sundar, Kamaraj, Shakti. And now it's more important that the sponsors of the entire program, right to mention Linux Laboratories, again working over the last few months, I would say, especially in the last few days, they have to get the speaker here, timing according to their road or flight or train travel, and then get back into the hotel. And even they have been taken to the temple and make them to be here on a right time, and make sure that they are also reach their respective place at the right time. So Linux Pharmaceutical and one of the representative to come and collect the memento. Team Linux.
ஹேண்டில் வச்சு பேசியிருக்கேன் வரட்டும் நீங்கள்
remove it, sir. Slowly. It's heavy. Ipca Pharmaceutical, similarly, they have arranged travel and accommodation for many speakers, and they are the persons who have made us to sign 800 certificates, and they distributed certificates accordingly. Ipca.
Oh, great. Great contribution. Great.
Intas Pharmaceutical, to be ready. Representative from Intas. Representative from Intas. Thank you, sir. Amara. Intas, not Illa. Okay. And Laya Life Sciences, they are the people who sponsored our banquet. Okay. Torrent Pharmaceuticals. Laya Ponga. Yes, sir. That's all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Next. Now, Laya Life Sciences, who had sponsored our banquet over the last 2 days. And we thank Torrent Pharmaceutical. Sun Pharmaceutical. Collaborations. Sun Pharmaceutical, sir. Icon Life Sciences. Icon. Next is Crescent Pharmaceutical. Crescent Pharmaceuticals. Okay. And Pulse Pharmaceuticals. AIWO. Logic Research Laboratories. They are the one who created online medical prescription for our hospital and similar other hospitals also. One second. AIWO. What is that? Our logistics, that is, they have created a separate website, medical prescription platform. East West Pharma.
East West Pharma. Okay, announce once more.
East West Pharmaceutical. Come.
Okay. In South.
In South. And the entire functions, audio, visual, the back. Intas has come, I suppose. Intas Pharmaceutical. Pulse Pharma is there? Pulse Pharmaceutical. Okay. So the entire audio visual was been done by Riti System, Trichy. So they are famous in preparing backdrops. Okay. And other Riti ads are there. And for very seamless audio visual. And come. One of the representative for Riti can come. So you can take their numbers so that if at all you want to have a conference in future, just you have to tell what's your need. So they will prepare everything. So you don't need to go here or there. And most importantly, Mr. Anand, one of them can be representative for him. So he's the person who, Mr. Anand, they had the video line. So this is the, as I said, there's a website, and through website only we have been able to log in. And they had made 4 to 5 Zoom links through which we are able to easily bring our online presenters and offline presenters at the same time, especially quiz programs. 10 teams were there, 5 were online, 5 were offline. So the entire thing was been captured in a single screen. So this was the first experience for them. And Rajkumar Printers, some representative from them. And SR Sign Industries, they are the people from Trichy who had prepared all our mementos. And Jagan Photographer.
Who will take? Someone is there.
Our photographer is there, Lois. So he was the person who winner of Matram, sir.
Okay.
He's the person with, along with Rajaram.
Okay. We'll take the answer.
Yes, he made the video, that movie, short film movie.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And First Aid Meenakshi Mission Hospital. There was a first aid stall wherein it was freely BP and blood pressure and sugars were monitored.
Fortunately,
No
no
delegate.
Huh?
Many pharmaceutical, yes sir. Yes sir.
This time, we made it first aid stall.
Yes sir.
Because when we were in Coorg, one delegate was standing, immediately he fell. He had allergy to fish. That I had in mind. So I talked to Meenakshi, it is 5 kilometers, 5 minutes drive. So they had this first aid, ambulance, everything ready. So that is thing I want to replicate in other conferences also. First aid center. Because all are seniors and other things.
Yes,
so that's
promoting like anything.
Sir's mind. And I thank media and reporters who had published on their newspapers well before the conference. And my sincere thank to one and all. I thank all the drivers who have been carrying you back to home safely. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
We are coming to the final concluding session of the event. We'll meet at Trivandrum. IPSACON 2022 will be at Trivandrum, organized by Dr. Vidhukumar and Dr. Sheena G. Soman. And midterm CME is conducted by Tanjavur, Babu Bala Singh at Tanjore. And PGCME will be held at Hyderabad by Asha Hospital. So I think we must all participate in it. Thank you. We'll adjourn the meeting and we invite you all for dinner. For lunch.
One second. I thank Louis and our Rafiq who have been behind the screen of Atmati.
National anthem. National anthem, who is singing?
Jaya